Did you guys check out that plate of food that I put on there? Believe it or not, that was all 300 calories. That's not the point. Have you had 300 calories from McDonald's before? 300 calories at McDonald's or at any fast food joint is about maybe half a burger. Try that one. Shrimp is a great source of protein. Has no carbs. It's high in protein. Has no fats. It's like a win-win. Do your research. The best part about it is that you can season it the way you want to. Put anything and everything on it. Just don't put no sauces in there. Just put all types of herbs. And stop making the excuse about, I can't eat like that because that food is too expensive. Getting sick is expensive. Having zero desire for life is expensive. Don't forget to order yours today. Stop being cheap with your health. You're gonna end up paying for it. And you and your partner won't be happy. I bet you're probably saying, why would my partner not be happy? Because your ring ding ding da ding dong is not gonna be working. Yo, that's what happens when you eat processed foods. Don't let that be you. This is not just for the guys, this is for the girls too.